Have you thought to get on OnlyFans? Did you want to post all of your nasty, explicit, grow and tell yourself videos? Did you want to get your nasty butt on Twitter and post your videos? Before you do all of that, stop and watch this video. Before you watch this video, go ahead and go like, subscribe to this channel. I got videos after videos after videos after videos after videos after videos dropping, so I need all of y'all to not miss not one of them. I want to thank all of y'all, for the ones who are subscribed already, for subscribing, and we got a lot of stuff in store, y'all, so just stay tuned to the video, and boom, let's get into the video. This OnlyFans life is not easy. It's not. It's a lot of stuff that comes with it, like, oh my gosh, like, y'all, everybody that I have linked up with in the past 4 years, like, they think every time I want to link up, it's going to be a camera hidden somewhere, or they think it's going to be a camera recording, or we can't just chill and drink and smoke or play the game or something. Like, why do you think somebody always trying to record you? Yeah, why do you think everybody trying to record y'all who just trying to chill with y'all just because they do OnlyFans? Like, that don't mean that they trying to do nothing with you, record nothing. Everything is not content. It's the internet. So remember, y'all, when you post anything on the internet, it's going to be there for a long time. Like, it have been multiple days I woke up, I done cried, I'm like, dang, I wish all this can go away. It can't, baby. It can't. You got to embrace it. You got to embrace it. Just because you post a video you haven't, don't mean that you finna make some money off of it. It's a lot of people posting videos having and it's a lot of people posting videos jacking and it's a lot of people making videos and sucking So just because you post it don't mean that it's gonna go by. Definitely if you're just not starting out, y'all, like, that's not the case, y'all. Like, I'm so sorry. Quality over quantity, baby. Remember that. They think just because they start, they gotta bang bang everything that they see on Twitter. You do not have to bang bang everything you see on Twitter. And one thing I would put in there, I'm not telling y'all to not make one or to make one. I'm just telling y'all, like, the stuff I learned, stuff I know, stuff I peep in the world while doing OnlyFans. Like, prep up. Discovery did not pay me for this video. But prep up. They have multiple free clinics online. They can ship you the test, ship you the blood test. They will ship out the medicine for free. They have multiple programs you can get into, prep programs at your clinics. Ask your nearest clinic. Prep isn't only for gay people. So also for the straight people, the straight men and women. You can try it if you're a girl. Everybody who knows me know I'm like a big advocate for prep, y'all. Prep up. Free resources to prep up. Prep is a pill to help you prevent getting HIV. Nothing against the people who have it. It just helps prevent it. Like, I mean, it just helps prevent HIV. Definitely for if you want to get into a field where you're going to be having sex a lot, it's just always better to be protected. You know, it's just like another protection. Just like condoms, I would say use condoms too while you're in the field also. So it's a lot of weird stuff out here. It's a lot of people, it's a lot of weird creators out here that I never ran into for real. Like, most people I linked up with was cool. You know, people would like try to lace you. A lot of people on hard drugs, y'all. Like, it's a lot of people who are really crazy out here. Like, some people really be doing some crazy stuff. So, like, I just say, like, be careful. Just always prep up, be prepared. If you're in your head about starting one because you don't want people to, like, be talking about you, a lot of people glorify people with OnlyFans. Like, I learned that, like, a lot of people glorify people who do OnlyFans. Like, they're like, oh my gosh, like, I watch you. Like, I mean, I guess because the boom boom sale, like, that field sales, I guess. So it's like a lot of people look up to people who do that stuff. Like, I never understood it, but a lot of people do look up to it. So just know, like, you're gonna probably be getting more love than hate anyway, unless you're one of the ones who just having boom boom with everybody you see online. Don't get in your head about it. Like, I done had people at grocery stores touch my butt. I done had people in the club put their hands in my pants. I done had people like try to rape me because I do OF. Like, you know, like, just because they see that I do it, they just try to like take it to their advantage, and they think like, you know, just I'm always on go because I do that. But like, no. And that's one thing I gotta say too. Like, everybody who does OF, it's not just always horny and on go and just trying to have boom boom. That's not it, y'all. That's a weird stigma that everybody have. No. Like, I done had people do some weird stuff to me, so y'all just need y'all to like remember the ones who don't do it, who look up the people who does it. Just because somebody do it, do not just go out your way to try to do the boom boom with them, or go out of your way to try to push yourself onto them. You always need permission, y'all. Permission. I just went through this 2 weeks ago. Permission. Always just be on your stuff, y'all. Be careful. Like, I done met some genuine people, and I also have met some predators. I have met some predators, y'all. I done met some predators. Like, I have. It's crazy. But one thing I can say is it's very, 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 very hard to me. Everybody's experience might be different, but it's very, very hard to me to like get into like any relationship. Like, everybody think like, I mean, I guess they just don't like the fact that their partner is like online. Like, they got old videos of them doing the boom boom. But I don't know what it is, y'all, but it's very hard finding like a relationship. Like, nobody takes nobody serious who do OF. And I kind of get like, I don't know. I don't get it, honestly. But like, just know if you do get in the field, it's probably gonna be hard for you to find relationships. Definitely if you become like a known one. And yeah, if you become like a known known creator on like the platform, it's gonna probably be hard for you to find a relationship. Because people just really, I don't know, I just really realize that people don't take people serious who do OF. Like, they just take it as like they're just a walking hole or like a walking boom boom toy. Like, I done had multiple times I felt like a boom boom toy. Like, people just use me as a boom boom toy. Like, that is not it. That is not it, y'all. Like, don't do that. But everybody just have their own preferences. But I just feel like if you're going to not want to pursue somebody who do OF, don't lead them on to like you interested in them and stuff. Any intentions more than just having boom boom. Like, because people tend to do that a lot. They like to entertain you. They get you to, you know, do all of this. And then when it's time to, okay, like, I actually like you, then they want to be like, oh, I can't date nobody who do OF. Or they'll date you and then they just try to like, they act off their actions and they just say it's because you do OF. It's like, I like you, but you do OF, but I'm gonna still like you, but I don't care about your OF. But then just because you do it, I can't trust you because you do OF, but I know you don't. Like, no. If you do OF and you finna get in a relationship, I will highly recommend you tell your partner. If they don't know you do it, tell them before you actually get into something serious. I know it's not probably an easy conversation to have, like, hey, I do OF. I just recommend doing it. It's going to help you out in the long run. I'm just telling you. You're going to run into some people like that, y'all. You're going to tell them you do it. They're going to know you do it. They still going to mess with you, and then they're going to try to use it against you. No. I'm telling you, it's hard out here, y'all. It's hard out here for a pimp. It's hard out here for a pimp. When you're trying to get the money for the rent. Oh yeah, with OnlyFans also. This is a big thing. For people who like make a lot of money on there, you're gonna have to pay taxes. Yeah, I was kind of shook at first. I'm not telling y'all how much or whatever, but you're gonna have to pay taxes. You're gonna have to pay taxes. Uncle Sam does not let up off nobody. Nobody, baby. If you're thinking about doing it, do it. If you're in your head about doing it, try it. But just, I mean, I don't know, like, try it. Like, I done been doing OnlyFans for 4 years. I done had my ups and downs with it. I done met some cool people off of it. I done met some cruel people off of it. I done met some of the realest people in my life right now off of it. You know, and I have lost a lot of people because of it also. So just keep all of that in mind. I guess to me, it was one of them things where it's like, am I doing this for me or am I doing this for everybody else? Like, I was doing it for me. So it's like, I was doing it to get my money up, to do what I got to do, to like be in this position I'm in now. Like, you know, like I wasn't doing it to please nobody. I wasn't doing it just because I needed some money at the moment. Like, I was just doing it because I had a plan, I had a future. Like, if you do plan on making an OF or whatever, feel free to DM me. Feel free to comment. Feel free to message me on X. You can message me on Instagram. You can message me on OF. I don't mind giving you any tips. I cannot help you find nobody to collab with. I'm so I cannot do that. I'm not Black People Meet Boom Boom. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I can't find you nobody to meet. I don't have people text me and be like, oh, Buzz, can you help me find DLs? No, I can't help you find no DLs. No. So don't hit me up. I'm not Tinder. I'm not the gay Tinder. I'm not. Do not hit me up. I cannot help you find the DLs. I cannot help you find the films. I cannot help you find the trans. I cannot help you find the straight people or the girls. Straight boys. Gotta had a lot of y'all asking that too. But I think that it's kind of harder now to get into OF. Definitely now that like the quarantine is over. Like back when the quarantine was here, it was kind of easy to like blow up on there. But a lot of people are doing it now. Some doing it for like money for real, and some doing it for fun. So it's kind of like a bigger competition at this point. So like I would just say, if you're gonna do it, like put your all into it. Like put your all in anything you do in life, honestly. You know, get your money up, stack your money up, get your paper up, and do it, boo. Don't try to keep nobody around you. Live your life, do what you gotta do, and stay protected, y'all. Prep up. If you need help getting on prep too, hit me up. Like, let me know what city you in. I can find a clinic. I can hit up doctors for you to get you on prep. I can send you some websites that do like online prep or whatever. Even if like, you know, if you haven't been checked or whatever, and you maybe have like a scare, like you may have like, you know, a STD or anything like that, just let me know or whatever. I can send you like, you know, online clinics also that do STD testing for free. They send it to you. You send it, you find out. Like, it's always just good to know your stats, y'all. Like, know your stats. Know your stats, y'all. Know your stats. Heard it from Buzz. Know your stats. I get tested like every month for real. But you're supposed to get tested every 3 months when you're on prep to make sure that you're staying negative, that your status is staying negative. So, but just keep that in mind. Check your status. Know your status. If you need help with the resources, let me know. I can help you out. If you do have HIV, please stay on your meds so you can stay healthy. Like, you know, like you can stay healthy. And I would recommend y'all get on the shot. I really don't know what the shot is called because I haven't really researched it. I think it's called Cabenuva. They have a shot for people with HIV called Cabenuva. If you're on prep too, you can also change from the pill and get to Apretude. I was getting Apretude, but I guess the program I had for free Apretude, they ran out. So the Apretude people ran out of free funding for it. So I had to have insurance. I don't have insurance, so. But if you got insurance, you can get a shot every 2 months, and instead of taking the pill every day, Apretude taking the shot every 2 months. And with Cabenuva, I don't know how often you have to take a shot with Cabenuva, but I just know people with HIV, I think they said you have to be undetectable to get the shot. But yeah, this is gonna end the video. I can comment on this post, subscribe. Am I missing something? I'm thick, but like and comment on this post, subscribe to me, follow me on Instagram at Buzzbunny with 3 Ys. And I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Stay tuned. I got a video dropping in a couple of days. It's another banger. So I want y'all to watch that and stay in touch with your boy. And I'm out.